Did you know a baby flamingo is usually not pink at all? That sounds like a trick question, but it is true. A bright, pink grown-up flamingo starts life looking soft and pale instead. So where does the pink come from? And why does it show up later? We are about to solve this fun color mystery, step by step. By the end, you will know the secret hiding in a flamingo's food. By the end, you will know the secret hiding in a flamingo's food. Nature can be full of happy surprises, and this one is safe and amazing. Nature can be full of happy surprises, and this one is safe and amazing. When flamingos are babies, they usually wear fluffy gray or white down. Down means very soft feathers, like the fuzzy fluff inside a pillow. So a baby flamingo does not look like a bright pink grown-up yet. It can look more like a tiny cloud on long, wobbly legs. Have you ever imagined that? This surprises lots of people because we often picture all flamingos as pink. But baby animals grow in stages, and that is a wonderful natural way to begin. The pink color comes from something in food called carotenoids. Carotenoids are natural color helpers. You can think of them like the orange color in carrots. So flamingos do not paint their feathers, and they do not wash in pink water. Their bodies use these color helpers from the food they eat. Pretty cool, right? Can you guess what kinds of tiny foods carry these helpers? The answer is coming next, and it shows how clever and colorful nature can be. Many flamingos eat algae, brine shrimp, and other tiny water creatures. Many flamingos eat algae, brine shrimp, and other tiny water creatures. Some of these are smaller than your fingernail, yet they help create a big feather color change over time. But some of these are smaller than your fingernail, yet they help create a big feather color change over time. Isn't that amazing? Algae are simple living things that grow in water, a bit like green watery plant slime. Brine shrimp are tiny swimming animals. These little foods carry the color helpers flamingos need, so even a very small snack can do an important job. And that is a fun thing to remember. So even a very small snack can do an important job, and that is a fun thing to remember. A flamingo has a special beak that helps it catch tiny foods from shallow water. It often dips its beak upside down and sweeps it through the water and soft mud. The beak works like a filter. Filter means it keeps the food and lets the water move away, and lets the water like a little kitchen strainer. Have you ever seen a sieve at home? That is the big idea here. The flamingo is built in a smart, gentle way for its watery home, and it works beautifully. A flamingo does not turn pink after one meal. The color does not pop in all at once, like flipping on a light. It builds slowly, day by day, meal by meal, feather by feather. That is the important part. Scientists explain that this change happens over time as the bird grows. So if you could watch a young flamingo every day, you would see a gentle color journey, not a sudden switch. Growing slowly is normal, and nature is very patient with that change. As flamingos grow new feathers, their bodies place the color helpers into those feathers. That means the pink shows up in fresh feathers, little by little. You can picture it like coloring new pages in a drawing book, one page at a time. But the amazing part is that the flamingo's body does this all by itself. It knows where the color should go. Have you ever watched new crayons fill a blank page? This natural process is just as neat, and it is completely safe. Not every flamingo is the exact same shade. Some look soft pink. Some look brighter pink. Some can even look a little orange, like a sunset. Why? A few things can make a difference, such as the kind of flamingo, its age, and the food it eats. A few things can make a difference, such as the kind of flamingo, its age, and the food it eats. So flamingos come in different pink styles. Which one would you pick for a drawing? Pale pink or sunset orange? Nature does not have to make every animal match, and that is part of the beauty. So let's play a quick remember game. Baby flamingos start out gray or white, not bright pink. Their pink color comes from tiny foods with natural color helpers inside, and their special beaks help filter those tiny foods from the water. Then, as new feathers grow, the color shows up little by little. That is the whole pink puzzle solved. Sprout can pop in here with a big smile and 4 tiny picture clues around it. You remembered a lot, and that is pretty awesome. Now you know the secret. Flamingos are not born bright pink. Their color comes later from the foods they eat and the new feathers they grow. Their color comes later from the foods they eat and the new feathers they grow. Their color comes later from the foods they eat and the new feathers they grow. Next time you see a flamingo, you can smile and remember its tiny color helpers. And here is a fun job for you. Go tell one person the coolest flamingo fact you learned today. Maybe you can even draw a baby flamingo that looks like a fluffy cloud. See you next time for another animal wonder and another happy surprise.